What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. And today we're taking it right back to the very start. Playing in the background is one of my first ever YouTube videos, and it was on the Xbox Series X. At the time, back in November 2020, I was stuck in the pandemic, hadn't gamed for 15 years, and I had a choice to make. Do I want to dive in and pay 3 times the retail cost for a PS5? Yes, 3 times the cost, because it took, well, years to get your hand on a PS5. Or do I just want to go for the entry-level Xbox Series S for £250? Well, obviously, as you know, I picked the Series S. I'd done some videos on it. The channel got, I don't know, hundreds and hundreds of subscribers just on those videos, and I was hooked to A, the Xbox, and B, YouTube, creating content. Well, fast forward 2 and a bit years, and I got this. I didn't get rid of my Xbox Series S because I still enjoy playing that, and I will enjoy playing that, but the itch was just becoming too irritable not to scratch. So I've took the plunge and I've purchased a PlayStation 5 at retail, because now you can actually get your hands on some. So I'm going to unbox it and show you a bit about the PlayStation and my use case scenario for the device. Let's go. So I mean, first things first, extra controller as part of the bundle. This is a chunky bit of kit, like, wow. It does say on the top of the box here, overpack. So I'm hoping that they've really overpacked it and it's not actually that big. Let me get my scissors. Now I am excited about this, I'm not going to lie. But we have the device. Here it is in all its glory, the PlayStation 5 with God of War. Yep, God of War, a game I've never played, or God of War Ragnarok, a game I have never played, but the bundle with that and the extra DualSense controller in black was £539 from the BT shop. So shout out to BT shop there. Never used BT shop before. Let's see what else is in the box. Now, the PlayStation 5 in this box obviously got the game and stuff, but the actual PlayStation 5, this is the disc version. Every review I'd seen said just get the disc version, even though you're going to buy most of your games digitally, get the disc version just in case. And it's the standard 825 gigabytes internal storage, which from all the reviews I've seen comes down to about 650 gigs by the time you actually install the software and updates and stuff. So take out the outer box, which was in a big box, to reveal another box. Save the planet and all that stuff. And then in here we have the DualSense controller in white, which by the way looks super clean and oh wow, feels really good. So if you don't know, well, obviously you know, I've told you at the start of the video, but the Xbox Series S controller, is super comfortable. I have to say though, the PlayStation 1 feels even more ergonomic in the hands. So I like that. Also in the box we have, oh, is this one of those? Ah, okay. I did wonder. So it looks like, I'll not show you, but it's a, I'll cover it. It's a code, which makes sense, but it's a digital code for the game that you get, not a physical disc, which is quite disappointing, to be honest, because I did buy the disc version hoping there would be an actual disc. It may be the first disc I buy, or the only one I buy, but still, I'd like a disc. This is a stand that people keep talking about that they don't actually use. I probably won't use it either, to be honest. It is going to sit just in the corner beside my MacBook Pro and the Series S. But yeah, this is the stand that goes vertical or horizontal. I will be keeping this tower-like vertical. You've got your power cable. You've got your HDMI 2.1 cable, which is super important because my TV is the LG C1 OLED, which does produce games at 4K 120 Hz, which again I could not take advantage of with the Xbox Series S because it's only capable of 60 FPS. Here it is. Wow. Wow, it is big, right enough. They weren't lying. Good golly, this is a big heavy bit of kit, but I'm sorry, that is going to look stunning sitting in the corner. Oh yeah, I mean that's already, look at that, it's going to fit in nicely. So I guess the next thing to do, well actually, while we're here I might as well open this for you. Cable in there to charge it. There is a charging cable for the white controller in the box that I think I missed. And here's the black one. What do we think? Black DualSense controller or white? I think I prefer the white, to be honest. But hey ho, came in the bundle. Intrigued to know how this touch thing works. Again, I am completely new to the PS5. No idea how it works. But that is what you get in the box. So there we have it. I've unboxed the PS5 for the first time ever. I felt the DualSense controller for the first time ever. Now I need to get it set up and start using it. First game I'm going to play, probably Spider-Man Miles Morales, just because it looks stunning and seems like an easy way in. Then I'll gradually work my way up to God of War and Horizon Forbidden West, is it called? Again, that just looks stunning. And I have no doubt I'll be getting balls deep into Gran Turismo 7 and every other game that I can get a hold of. Now, just to let you know, I have subscribed to PlayStation Plus Premium, which comes with the online library, the classic library, multiplayer, all the bells and whistles comes with a premium package. And for £13.49 a month, okay, that's not the cheapest, but if you go for the full 12 month, it was £99. That's quite a steal considering you get access to, what I can gather anyway, almost every game. So yeah, happy with that. I will be posting another video soon on how I'm getting on with the PlayStation 5. But if you've got any questions, or if you've got any tips, advice, games I should start playing, pop them down in the comments. And let's see if we can get my PS5 videos as popular as the Xbox videos. Till next time.